Do you want to know how you can log into your QSS Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your QSS Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser, go to the search bar to search for QSS Payroll Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen and it will take you to this site where you can see there is option of login. Go ahead and click on login. And then you can see this official login portal pop up. What you need to do now is write down your username in the first box. After you've written the username to your account, go ahead and write down your password on the second box and check your password once, and then after it looks like it's correct, go ahead and click login. This way you can successfully log into your QSS Payroll account. So all you need to do is search for QSS Payroll Login, click on the first link which appears on your screen, and then click Login, which is over here on the right hand side. Then write down your username, your password, and click Login. So this is how you log into your QSS Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.